If you're struggling to feel confident in your yoga practice, then this is the channel for you. My name is Megan Spears, and on this channel, I help beginners just like you to feel prepared to attend a yoga class. You can expect tips, tricks, and classes so you can build or rebuild a strong and sustainable yoga practice. Do your tight hips make you feel like the Tin Man? Have you heard that your tight hips may be affecting your low back? In this class, I'm going to share a practice that is going to feel really freeing for your hips, along with 3 options to make it more comfortable. Let's start on our backs. Go ahead and lie on your back and have a scarf or a towel or a yoga strap handy. As you lie down, bring your left knee into your chest. Take this scarf, I have a fluffy scarf with me that I love. Place it around the bottom of your foot and hold your leg up tall. Now this is just a nice stretch for the back of the hamstrings. So you can bring your leg in as much as you'd like here or as little as you'd like. From here, shift your leg out to the right until you feel a stretch along the outside of your leg. And then hold the scarf into your left hand as you shift your leg now to the left until you feel a natural stopping point. And breathe here a few times. And on your next exhale, bring your leg back to center. Hold with both hands. Release your yoga strap or scarf. Place your left foot to the floor. You should already be feeling something really nice happening in the hip. Now here are the tips for you. If you notice that your chin is lifted, like so, with your leg up, then I want you to place a pillow underneath your head. That way you have a little bit more support. If you have your leg up and you want to try straightening your right leg out in front of you, then you can do that as well. Last little tip. Reach your left arm out to the side as you shift your leg over to the right. Then you might feel a little bit of a stretch across your chest while you stretch the outer hip. And then hold, bring your right hand out to the side as you stretch the left leg out to the side. Then come back to center. Release your prop, lower your foot to the floor. Straighten your left leg out. Make sure you do both sides so that you feel balance in your body, and I'll see you in the next video.